Hello and welcome to this course. In this course, we are going to talk about hands-on data analytics with R. So let's get straight into it. I am Rahul Tiwari, a data scientist with 12 plus years of experience. I train and consult organizations and individuals on business analytics, data science, and machine learning using R and Python. I am helping students and organizations in various domains like retail, telecom, life sciences, finance, and other domain as well in solving their business problem using data science, business analytics, and machine learning. I have implemented a lot of algorithms using R extensively, and I will be the instructor for this course. So let's get started and try to understand what we are going to cover in this particular course. So in the section 1, we are going to talk about dimensionality reduction. And in dimensionality reduction, we are going to talk about how we can use dimensionality reduction. What is principal component analysis, which is known as PCA, and a use case using principal components. After that, we are going to talk about data mining using R, where we'll talk about k-means clustering and hierarchical clustering. Then we go to inferential statistics, where we have topics where we'll talk about hypothesis testing and p-value, one sample t-tests, two sample paired t-test, and two sample unpaired t-tests. After that, we have predictive analytics, where we'll talk about some main concepts and algorithms for regression and classification. We'll talk about classification trees and then linear regression. Once that is done, we will go to the last module, which is checking and presenting results, where we have topics like model checks in R, model predictions, interacting with data using R charts, and shiny dashboards. What are the prerequisites for this course? The learner from business and scientific sectors who would like to broaden their data analytics capabilities using R. Having a working knowledge of R as well as a basic understanding of statistics is assumed. What are the key features and goals? It is to accelerate your data analytics capabilities from a basic understanding to being able to apply and interpret the results effectively, providing deep insight of data-driven scenarios. It contains maximum amount of practical examples and mini tests with minimal lecturing to encourage a natural and self-rewarding progression. Performance and interpret results from the most commonly used statistical and ML techniques used by data professionals such as linear models, k-means clustering, and principal component analysis. So let's get started and explore this course. All the very best. Thank you.